I'm going to show you step by step how to get your tax documents on Robinhood. First, go down to your profile tab at the bottom right, then click on the menu icon. Select where it says Statements and History. Under the Documents section at the bottom, you'll see two options, one for statements and one for tax documents. Go ahead and click on where it says Tax Documents. And here is where you're going to find all of your tax documents from Robinhood. So if we want the 2021 tax documents, we can see that we have the Robinhood Securities 1099, as well as a Robinhood Crypto 1099 if you do crypto on Robinhood. Now, if you want to open one of these up, all you have to do is tap on it, then tap the export button at the top right, which is going to open up this pop-up, and click on where it says Save to Files. Then click on where it says Save at the top right. Now open up your Files app. If you're on Android, it's going to be called the Files Manager. Search for Robinhood and you should find this file right here, which is going to be the tax document that you just downloaded. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.